In our journey through life, many of us find ourselves seeking something beyond the ordinary. We seek not just success or fulfillment, but something more intangible and magical: luck. But what exactly does it mean to be a lucky person? And how can we develop this mysterious quality that seems to benefit only a few privileged individuals? Imagine for a moment all the missed opportunities, the paths not taken, and the situations that could have led us to completely different destinations. Could these missed moments be signs that something greater is in store for us? And what if every setback, every challenge was actually preparing us for a spectacular turnaround in our personal story? Luck is not just a coincidence or chance. It is intrinsically linked to our attitudes, mindset, and choices. It's about opening ourselves to the opportunities that life offers us and being prepared to receive them with gratitude and determination. So, with that in mind, I invite you to ask yourself, what would luck mean to you? What would your life be like if you could consider yourself the luckiest person in the world? In today's video, we will dive into a journey of becoming the luckiest person alive. A journey about transcending mere existence and embracing the limitless potential that luck can offer. Let's explore the principles and practices that can transform our perspective on luck and pave the way for an abundant future full of possibilities. Developing a positive and open mindset is crucial for attracting luck into our lives. The way we think and interpret the world around us can directly influence the events and opportunities we encounter. The importance of a positive mindset lies in the fact that our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. When we cultivate a positive attitude, we are tuning our minds to favorable energies, making us more receptive to the positive possibilities that the universe offers. Instead of focusing on obstacles or failures, a positive mindset allows us to find solutions and learn from each experience. To overcome negative thoughts and cultivate hope, it is essential to practice strategies that promote mental and emotional well-being. One of these strategies is positive visualization. By visualizing our goals and desires as if they were already fulfilled, we are programming our minds to believe that these achievements are possible. This not only boosts our confidence, but also attracts the necessary circumstances to make our visualizations a reality. Believing in opportunities requires a shift in our perspective. Instead of seeing each setback as a dead end, we can train our minds to identify hidden opportunities in every challenge. The belief in the potential of opportunities empowers us to act proactively and determinedly, paving the way for new achievements and positive experiences. When we develop this kind of mindset, we are putting into practice the power of positive thinking and openness to the new. This mindset not only helps us attract luck, but also strengthens us to face life's ups and downs with resilience and confidence. Freedom is also a powerful catalyst for attracting and cultivating luck in our lives. It empowers us to embrace opportunities, adapt to changes, and explore new experiences authentically. To start, adaptability is essential for navigating life's complexities with fluidity and confidence. In a constantly changing world, those who can adjust quickly have a significant advantage. Being adaptable doesn't just mean reacting to circumstances, but also anticipating and embracing changes as opportunities for personal and professional growth. At the same time, freedom invites us to practice acceptance of diversity. Celebrating and respecting different cultures, perspectives, and experiences expands our horizons and connects us with new ideas and opportunities. Being open to new experiences allows us to learn, grow, and thrive in ways we couldn't have imagined before. And by freeing ourselves from mental rigidity and becoming more fluid in our approaches, we become better prepared to face challenges with confidence and resilience. Moreover, luck is often found where there is diversity and openness to new experiences. When we accept and celebrate the diversity around us, we expand our horizon and connect with different perspectives and cultures. This allows us to enrich our lives and create meaningful bonds that can lead to unexpected opportunities. Finding a healthy balance between individuality and social conformity is also essential to unlocking the potential of freedom. Expressing our uniqueness and authenticity is crucial to our emotional well-being, while also learning to collaborate and interact meaningfully with others. This balance allows us to thrive in social environments while maintaining our integrity and personal identity. Positivity plays a fundamental role in our journey to attract luck and create a life full of meaning and fulfillment. So, let's explore how cultivating an optimistic mindset can positively influence our reality and open doors to incredible opportunities. First of all, it's important to understand the science behind positive thinking. Studies show that positive thoughts have profound impacts on our health and well-being. When we maintain a positive mindset, our bodies release beneficial hormones like dopamine and serotonin, which help reduce stress and promote positive emotions. In addition, positive thinking is connected to greater emotional resilience, allowing us to face challenges with more determination and hope. To maintain an optimistic mindset, it's essential to incorporate daily practices that promote mental well-being. This includes cultivating gratitude, taking time to meditate, and practicing regular physical exercise. Gratitude, in particular, is a powerful tool for promoting positive thinking, as it helps us recognize and appreciate the good things in our lives, even amidst difficulties. Positivity also enables us to turn failures into opportunities through resilience. People with a positive mindset see failures as lessons learned and challenges to be overcome. And resilience is what allows us to adapt to adversity, learn from our mistakes, and move forward with renewed determination. By integrating the power of positivity into our lives, we are creating a magnetic field that attracts luck and success. Cultivating an optimistic mindset not only improves our quality of life, but also enables us to face challenges with courage and perseverance. In the journey to seek luck, excellence emerges as a fundamental principle that drives our personal growth and success. Developing skills and knowledge can empower us to achieve our most ambitious goals. Investing in consistent practice and seeking expertise is essential for personal growth and fulfillment. The repetition of tasks and continuous learning are pillars of excellence in any field. When we dedicate time and effort to improving our skills, we are building a solid foundation for future success. Finding mentors and learning from experienced ones is an effective strategy for accelerating our growth. Mentors offer valuable guidance, share insights, and help avoid common pitfalls along the way. By establishing meaningful connections with more experienced people, we broaden our perspectives and acquire practical wisdom that is not always in books. Dedicating yourself to continuous improvement and excellence is a mindset that defines true luck seekers. The pursuit of excellence is not just about achieving success, but also about remaining committed to personal and professional development throughout life. When we constantly seek to exceed our limits and raise our standards, we are paving the way for extraordinary opportunities. And by integrating the pursuit of excellence into our journey to luck, we are empowering ourselves to achieve our most audacious dreams. Imagination also plays a crucial role in our journey toward luck and success. The practice of visualization can help us manifest our goals and create a conducive mental environment to achieve our dreams. Practicing visualization is a very powerful technique, as I've talked about in various videos here on the channel. When we clearly imagine our goals being achieved, we are activating our subconscious mind to work in tune with our desires. Detailed and frequent visualization creates an emotional connection with our aspirations, making them more tangible and attainable. Moreover, creating a conducive mental environment to achieve goals involves nurturing thoughts and beliefs that support us on our journey. This includes moving away from limiting thoughts and nurturing a mindset of endless possibilities. By developing a positive and confident attitude towards our goals, we are building fertile ground for success. So, remember, developing a strategic plan based on clear and inspiring visions is essential to turning our visualizations into reality. A well-developed strategic plan allows us to navigate the challenges with determination and focus, keeping us aligned with our objectives. Another key factor in amplifying our luck and creating meaningful opportunities on our journey is collaboration and connection. Building solid relationships and forming strategic alliances can drive our personal and professional growth. The importance of building meaningful relationships cannot be underestimated. Authentic and positive relationships provide us with emotional support, valuable insights, and growth opportunities. When we invest time and energy in genuine connections, we expand our circle of influence and open doors to new possibilities. Forming strategic alliances to achieve goals is a powerful strategy in the pursuit of luck. By joining forces with other individuals or organizations that share our values and goals, we multiply our skills and resources. Strategic alliances also enable us to address complex challenges collaboratively and effectively. Cultivating a network of support and opportunities is fundamental to sustaining our journey toward success. A strong network gives us access to unique opportunities and helps us navigate life's ups and downs with confidence. By valuing collaboration and connection on our journey to luck, we are strengthening our bonds and expanding our perspectives. Emotional healing also plays a key role in our journey toward luck. Forgiveness, overcoming past traumas, and resilience can create space for luck and personal growth. Practicing forgiveness and letting go of resentments is essential for our emotional health and well-being. Forgiveness doesn't necessarily mean forgetting or validating the harmful behavior of others, but rather freeing ourselves from the emotional weight we carry. When we forgive others and ourselves, we create space for new experiences and opportunities in our lives. Overcoming past traumas to create space for luck requires courage and self-compassion. Recognizing and dealing with traumatic events from the past is a crucial step towards our emotional healing. By confronting our fears and facing our internal demons, we strengthen our resilience and pave the way for a fuller and more meaningful life. Embracing resilience and the ability to reinvent ourselves is a powerful skill that allows us to grow and thrive in the face of adversities. When we develop a resilient mindset, we learn to adapt to changes and turn challenges into opportunities, because resilience is what empowers us to embrace life's uncertainties with confidence and determination. By prioritizing emotional healing on our journey to luck, we are strengthening our emotional well-being and laying the foundations for a more positive and promising future. Luck is something we can achieve when we are aligned with our deepest goals and values. By adopting a proactive and mindful approach in our lives, we are creating the conditions to manifest luck in all its forms. So, I invite you to reflect on how you can apply these principles to your own journey. Remember that luck is within everyone's reach, and it's up to each of us to take the necessary steps to attract and cultivate it in our lives. May your journey in search of luck be filled with learning, growth, and achievement. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thanks again for watching and for joining me. Take care and see you soon.